Hey everyone, my name is Kriti Sarupriya and hope you all are well in your houses. And today I'm going to bring you a new set of exercises that might look very simple but they are very effective. And I hope you liked my previous video as well. And before we start our exercises, I would want you to meet my friend Drishti Kothari. She'll be doing these exercises with me. So Drishti, are you excited?
Absolutely, and I'm looking forward for today's session. Trust me, I have so much of expectations because being a lazy person in me and busy in so much like profession in our daily routines, I look forward for something, these kind of things. So I'm really hoping for the best.
I hope you really like them.
Of course.
And believe me, it might look very simple but it is very effective. I've used it for myself when I was like, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, Unlock Life with Kriti. And so we are now starting with our today's video, laziest workout in bed or on the floor. All we'll be needing is a pair of socks and a cushion. So let's just start with it. Let's start with just normal flexing of our toes, movement of our arms and legs so that we get ready for our workout. मेक इट अ हैबिट कि आप टीवी के सामने बैठे हैं या कुछ कहीं पर भी नॉर्मल बैठे हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सिटिंग डाउन आप थोड़ा थोड़ा मूवमेंट बेड के ऊपर, फ्लोर के ऊपर थोड़ी थोड़ी मूवमेंट हमेशा रखें अपनी बॉडी के अंदर, सो दैट आप हमेशा एक्टिव रहें. एंड धीरे धीरे हमारी बॉडी की कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी और हमें मन करेगा कि हम और अच्छे वर्कआउट्स करें. Now grab a cushion, put them between your knees. And hold them tightly and try to squeeze that cushion with your inner thighs and your knees. And then just rub your ankles on the floor like this. All the while, keep your belly button pushing it towards the floor. So there is no arch. There is no arch between the floor and your back. Okay. It's absolutely flat on the floor. Now in the same way, we are going to use our arms also, opening our feet and our arms together. Twist towards right, then left, then right, then left. And keep on squeezing the cushion between your knees. It might fall down. So lift your legs and then touch the floor with your heels, then your toes, again with your heels, and keep on pressing the cushion with your knees and thighs. We can do it without having a cushion, but it becomes more effective because we are keeping our muscles tight, our core muscles tight when we are trying to squeeze the cushion. Now open your legs like this, in this way. Make a rectangle, trapezium, whatever it becomes, and then spread out like this. Keep moving your tummy purposely with every breath. And try to give your body a complete stretch. Arms to your sides and fold your knees and start twisting on the right and then on the left. While doing this, try to touch the opposite ear on the floor. belly button comes. We are trying to stretch as if you're holding an elastic button, pushing towards the floor. Feel the vibration in your arms and legs. In this exercise, we have to keep our arms above the floor and do not take full support of the floor. Keep your belly button tucked in and then you will feel the effort on your lower abs. Just a few above the floor, not doing it like this. It's like slow and give pressure on your core. Single leg up and down. Try to keep your knees straight. The more 90-degree you can make, the better. If initially you can do just this, that is absolutely fine. Trying to touch your knee with your chin. Arms up, then again. Leg and try to touch the thumb with your left arm and your opposite ear on the floor. Move to the opposite side. Try to feel the stretch here. Change. One last time. Now move on your tummy and fold your legs and then put them up and down. And try to keep your chest above from the floor. And effort on your arms. Push your palms on the floor like this. And try to lift yourself up while doing this. Come up on your elbows and then move side to side. Can you feel the stretch on your back?
Of course.
Now lift your legs up and your arms up like this and give it a movement. left elbow, left leg folded at 90 degree, and then lift your leg. Move your leg with your thighs, not from your toes. Use your inner thigh and outer thigh to go down and up. And feel it all here. If you find it difficult, we can always go like this. Same on the other side. Now come on your right elbow and right leg at a 90 degree. And then try to touch the floor. How are you feeling, Meeli? Drishti?
Stretch from thighs. Good one.
Now come back on your tummy again and push your palms on the floor. When you go up, your elbows should be straight. Now place your palms again on your chest level and then go up, pushing your back and pushing your neck backwards. Feel the relief on your back. Hold it for some time and then we're going to look on both the sides and hold it. Now try to look at your left ankle. And then beyond that. Same on the other side. So now we are coming to our end of our session. This is the second last exercise. Lift your right leg up and your neck high. And look at the ceiling. Hold it here and now move to the other leg. You can also hold your leg like this if you are unable to go and touch your thumb. Now both the legs. So now lift your legs, hold it with your arms and touch your chin on your knees. This is very good for your back. It really relieves your back pain. And these things have to be done after a good workout, so as not to injure your back. Drishti, how was your experience?
It was amazing, and I guess I should not say anything because my sweat speaks for itself, like how the session was. And trust me, now from now onwards I am going to do this set daily because this is very easy to do, and of course I can see impact while stretching, while doing exercises. I have myself felt the pain and my belly going in. So really a great day today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You liked it. Similarly, I hope you guys will also like this video. You do it regularly on a regular basis. Stay committed to your workouts. Have good eating habits. Think what you're putting in your tummy, because it is very easy to say this, but it is very difficult to follow it. So if you wish to see more of such videos, easiest ways out to do anything, to do workouts or for getting motivation, etc., please subscribe to my channel Unlock Life with Kriti. Like and share this video, and please give your feedback in the comment section below. Bye, love you all. Stay happy and please take care of your environment.